Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to cover reversal of journal entries, clearing of GL entries, and reversal of cleared GL entries. So let's begin. Let's start with open items. What are open items? In SAP, balance sheet items that are clearing in nature. Example, we have rent payable, vendor's account, customer's account. All these accounts are considered as open items. Uh, let's see one of the open item, FBL3N. FBL3N is the T code. FBL. Okay. So I think my account has already been selected. Let me just see. This is not my company. ISH1. Enter. So my rent payable account is basically an open item account, as under this the entries are shown in red when they are not cleared. We have selected the status as open item, so let's execute. See, all my rent due entries that are not cleared are shown under open items. And how they are denoted? They are denoted with this red color, a warning sign that we need to settle these amounts. So let's begin our session with the reversal. So how the reversal in SAP is done. I'll open a new session. So the T code for reversal is FB08. I'll show you the long path as well. So under accounting, financial accounting, we have GL, document entry, document, and reverse. So we have FB08 is for individual reversal and F.80 for mass reversal. So let's start with individual reversal. Now we need a document number. So in other session, I have open items. Let's reverse this 3000 entry. The document number for this entry is 15. 15 and the posting date I have to give. And I think that's it. Display before reversal. Let's see how the entry would be before reversal. So my 3000 entry. So just save it. So document number 23 was posted. Let's see my GL display. So I've reversed this 3000 entry. Let me just refresh it. So an item is reversed and now it is not showing as an open item. Let us make the display all items. We have only selected the open item. Let's see all the items, how all item will display under this GL. So now above we have all the open items, and under that in green we have cleared items. So just see the last entry, this 3000 entry we reversed, and uh, on the other entry that is passed is with document type AB and not SA. SA is document type for GL entry. AB is for reversal entry. and the document that created is 23. The document number it created is 23. See. So I've reversed this 3000 entry. Okay. The next thing that comes in is clearing. So under reversal, it must be the case that I have posted an incorrect entry. But now the next thing that we shall be discussing is clearing. Clearing through the payments we are making to our vendors. So in this case, we need to set our rent payable account. Let's make one payment entry. Uh, let's make a payment entry of 15,500. So we have an option in this clearing. We can post with clearing. So number one option is post with clearing. The other option we have is to clear an account. So I'll explain you everything during the process. Let's start with post with clearing. Let's select one document, 15,500 document, that is 21 number document. And the T code for post with clearing is F-04. F-04. So under document entry, we can either type our T code here. Now my modules or my sub modules are already open, so I'm getting the option right on my screen. So it's F-04, post with clearing. Let's start. Let my document date be today's date. So my reference would be payment entry, pay one. Outgoing payment I need to do. What would be my line item? So at the time of creating, at the time of my first entry, what the entry would be of rent payable, it would be a rent account debited. I debited my expense account and credited my rent payable account. That's why it is showing as an open item. So now, in order to clear it or to reversal, I need to debit this account. But what account I will credit? In case of payment I'm getting, I will definitely credit my bank or cash account. So let's, first line item would be my bank account. Now, now from here, I will choose open items. Let me just enter the amount first, then we'll choose it. So the amount would be 15,500. Text would be payment of rent due. Okay. Now choose open item. So my account is rent payable account, that is 8201. 8201. Okay, process open items. So all the items that are due are now shown under my clearing process open items. Now what I will do, I want to deselect them all because right now all the amount are selected. The assigned amount is 72,600, but we need to assign only 15,500. So for this, first we need to select all, then we need to deactivate items. Okay, so as we deactivated all items, the assigned amount has now 0. Okay, so let us select one item and see. Now my not assigned amount is 0. So that means my account is going to get cleared. I need to either I can simulate it. Right? This will be my journal entry. So my bank account would be credit and my rent payable would be debit. So let us see how the account entry would look like in our GL account. Let me refresh it. So now my 15,500 entry is now removed from my open item entries, and it is under my cleared items. See, the document is 24. Okay. So what's the next step? What's the next thing we need to discuss? The next thing is how we are going to do reversal of the cleared items. Okay. So let's see that also. FBRA is the T code for reversal of clearing item. So FBRA, reset clearing items, reset cleared items. So the documents that I posted currently is 24. Fiscal year is 22. So I just need to save it. Now under this, I'm getting two options, only resetting. So if I will only reset, both the items will be shown under my open items. That two items that are not cleared. Okay, both the items. That means a due entry and the payment entry. While if I select a resetting and reverse, then they will automatically reset within the items and they won't go into open items because the entry was incorrect. Okay. So let's select resetting and reverse. What is my reversal reason? I can give the reversal reason. That could be a wrong posting, wrong period, wrong prices and conditions, etc. The posting date would be of and it's done. Clearing 24 is reset. Document 25 was posted in company. So now we'll just go back. So this was my picture before and now how it will look. So now I only have this one item as my open item and not both the items. The logic behind that is we have selected an option that was reset and reverse and not reset. In case I would have selected the reset option, then both the items uh, would have gone under the open clearing items or open item management. And then we have to reverse the other items. Okay. Uh, Let me show you that also. Let's consider this 4,500 as an example. So we just clear it first and then reset it. Quickly, I would go and first do my post with clearing entry. The date would be of today's. Reference would be pay. Outgoing. My posting key would be 50. That would be my bank. Let's select. Now the amount would be, let's take a different amount, 4,500. 4,500. And my text would be payment for rent due. Choose my open item. My open item is 8201. Process open item. Select all. Deactivate items. Just select this 4,500 entry and save it. Refresh. Now this 4,500 item is cleared. Now what I need to do, I need to reverse it, but with resetting only. FBRA reset cleared items. What is my last item? Last document number is 26. So let's reset it. But this time only resetting. Clearing item, clearing 26 reset. Refresh. And now see. In previous entry, only this 15,500 entry was an open item clearing entry, shifted to open item. While in case of resetting, both the payment entry as well as our previous due entry is reset. So now we have a payment entry in the account as well as the open entry in the account. Okay, now the last thing of this session is how to clear the entries that are in same account, like clearing an account. This transaction is called as clearing an account. Previously what we saw, that was post with clearing, but now in case we have a debit and credit in the same account, then we clear an account. It has a different transaction code, that is F-03. Let me show you. So F-03, I'll just type it here. So now from here, we just need to clear okay, my account is 8201. And now the same process would be there. Select all, deactivate items, and the amount entered is 0, assigned is 0, not assigned is 0. And now two items that I need to set internally is 4,500. One is of payment entry and the other is of my due entry. And see, again, it is done. So I just need to save it. And my document 27 was posted. So let's see it from our GL account line item display. Refresh. So now both the entries are removed from my open item display and they are now my cleared entries. This is the entire process of clearing. In fact, we shall be discussing this in detail in our future classes of accounts payable session, because we need to cover automatic payment as well as the differences in clearing. And that's all for today. Thank you all for listening. Have a great day.